We're gonna let TikTok choose our sounds and see what we get. Let's go.
Right, let's start with you. Smile. Oh, okay. You want to do serious first? Jalo.
Every day I wake up and I ask myself, how am I going to be the biggest pain in the ass that I can't be? Every day I wake up and I ask
So
myself,
facts, so
how?
facts.
Do a selfie this time.
Mm-hmm.
He's pretty, name pretty, attitude pretty.
Oh yeah.
Body pretty, smile pretty.
How do you know my body's
soul
pretty?
Energy pretty, just gorgeous about her. Face pretty, name
Yeah, I
pretty,
want to hear it again.
attitude pretty, body pretty, smile pretty, soul pretty, energy pretty.
Right.
My turn. Wait, let's do this one.
She's cute. No, physically, she's cute. That's not the issue. But her personality is extremely aggressive. There is no filter. She goes from 0 to 100. She's cute.
Fox.
I love my sister. We don't see much of each other these days. But no, I love you to the moon and back.
This one's cute.
So cute. We're actually lesbian. What the fuck? I'm joking.
Forget your husband.
Thank you guys.
Bye.